apple, apple. Apricot, apricot. Avocado, avocado. Banana, banana. Blackberry, blackberry. Blueberry, blueberry. Cantaloupe, cantaloupe. Cherry, cherry. Coconut, coconut. Cranberry, cranberry. Date, date. Dragon fruit, dragon fruit. Durian, durian. Fig, fig. Gooseberry, gooseberry. Grape, grape. Grapefruit, grapefruit. Guava, guava. Melon, melon. Jackfruit, jackfruit. Kiwi, kiwi. Kumquat, kumquat. Lemon, lemon. Lychee, lychee. Mango, mango. Mulberry, mulberry. Nectarine, nectarine. Orange, orange. Papaya, papaya. Peach, peach. Pear, pear. Persimmon, persimmon. Pineapple, pineapple. Plum, plum. Pomegranate, pomegranate. Quince, quince. Raspberry, raspberry. Starfruit, starfruit. Strawberry, strawberry. Tangerine, tangerine. Watermelon, watermelon.
Wow, we've learned so many fruit names today. Now you can name these delicious fruits in English like a pro. But don't stop here. Keep practicing and growing your vocabulary. If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a fun lesson. More exciting videos are coming your way. See you next time.